to my channel. It's your boy 360 Juice, and I am back with another video for y'all. Alright, you guys, so as y'all know, just got a cut. So this is an after haircut video. I'm gonna show y'all a little something that I've learned over time, okay? But right before we get into this video, guys, if you guys are not subscribed to my second channel, please do so right now. Click the link down in the description below. It's gonna take you over to my second channel. I want you to smash that subscribe button for me. And guys, if you're looking for brushes, do-rags, whatever, you know, for your waves, I also have a link in the description for you guys, my subscribers, and a discount code 360juice26 to use when you're purchasing anything off the website. That website link is in the description below. It's called 260 Wavy. Go check it out. Copy merch right now. With that being said, let's get right into the video.
Happen, they ain't sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it. Hey.
Welcome back. Alright, so I know a lot of y'all wolf a lot. You know, when you wolf, it's kind of hard to lay down your edges. Alright, so I got a quick fix for that. So what you're gonna need is either one do-rag or two do-rags. You could double compress with this method, or you could just have one do-rag on. So I'm gonna be double compressing with this. And quick tip, guys, after a haircut, the only brushes you should be using is a medium brush and a soft brush. Alright, so the medium brush should be a definite must when you get a fresh cut. Like, cut it down to 1.5, you should be going in with the medium. That's how you're gonna progress. Okay, so the medium is a go-to brush. The soft brush is just to lay it down. So use a medium brush every single day. That's when you should be putting in the brush after a fresh cut, because that's when you're gonna be getting the best progress out of your brush sessions. All right, so let's get started with this video. So before we start with the actual method, I'm gonna have a little brush session, you know, just add it into this video just to give you guys an idea of what I'm looking like. All right, so let's get it. after you finish with the plastic bag, right? This is where the method comes in. You wanna take your do-rag. Most people, when they tie their do-rags, they just go like this and just tie it from there. When they go like this, they get this little air bubble kind of like right here. So it doesn't really touch your edges to lay it down. So let me show you what I'm talking about. You see that? That don't really lay your hair down. So what you need to do is you want to bring it down some more, right? I know a lot of y'all know this method, but just know that it works when it comes to laying down your edges. Boom. And you want to flip it. But with this do-rag, with the 2/16 wavy do-rag, it's different. I'm gonna show you why. So when you flip it, you want to pull this back. So everything could be even, nice and straight. Boom, right? When you get to the back, I'm gonna hold this right here. Now this is great. This is great for laying your edges down because you don't see that little bubble right there. That little bubble you used to see when you first did that other method is not there no more. All right, so this is why this is a great method. You leave this on, you can actually double compress with this. All right, if you want to wear another do-rag with it, you can, just to lay down the little hairs poking out at the top, or you can just put a wave cap on. All right, so this, try this out. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Let me know if it works for you guys. I honestly think this is a better way to tie your do-rags because there's no like air bubble poking out right here, and it actually gets to lay everything down. It's just a better way to tie your do-rag because look at the difference, guys. Look at the difference. Look, when you go like this, right, and you just tie your do-rag, it's like, it don't feel right, man. Look, you're doing this, you see the air bubbles and stuff. Even when you pull it back, make it tight, it's still here. It's still here. It's not perfect. But when you come down and you roll it up, now it feels right. It just feels this is how a do-rag is supposed to be tied. Alright? And everything is straight too. Like everything falls into place, guys. So this is how I tie my do-rag from now on. Like I've been trying this method out. It's been working for me. My hair's been really laid. Even when I was wolfing, my edges was laid and everything. So try this method out. Let me know what y'all think. Hey man, just giving y'all some tips as I go on with this journey. So take it or leave it, guys. But I appreciate y'all for subscribing to my channel. Road to 20K. That is it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like, comment. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button for your boy. Road to 20K. And I am out of here. See you guys in the next video. Peace.